when you see this black bird standing in the middle of nature. The first thing you notice is the bright red spot on its shoulder. This bird is called the red-winged blackbird. Although it looks ordinary, its lifestyle is very amazing. The red-winged blackbird mainly lives in the wetlands, grasslands, rice fields, and open deserts of North America. They usually like to move in groups, but during breeding, the male bird becomes completely different. The food list of this bird includes insects, caterpillars, grasshoppers, rice, wheat, and various types of seeds. They also benefit farmers by eating harmful insects of crops. They can be called the silent protectors of nature. During the breeding season, the male red-winged blackbird becomes very aggressive. To protect his territory, he calls loudly and chases eagles or large birds if necessary. A male bird can have more than one female bird under him. This is their special social characteristic. The female bird usually builds a nest near the water with grass, leaves, and soft plants. After laying the eggs, the mother bird takes full responsibility for the chicks. The mother bird works day and night to gather food until the little chicks grow up. The red-winged blackbird is not only beautiful, but also plays an important role in maintaining the balance of the environment.